Samsung Galaxy A9 2018 is now official. It's a world first feature. There have been phones with more camera lenses, but this is the first 4 on the back, and is especially notable because Samsung has added a desirable feature to an A-series phones that you won't find on flagship Galaxy S devices. Stacked vertically on the left of the A9, the 4 camera lenses. The 4 lenses setup consists of a 24 megapixel f1.7 aperture, face detection autofocus, and scanner 8 megapixel with f2.4 aperture, fixed focus 12mm ultra wide. Third, 10 megapixel with f2.4 aperture, autofocus 2x optical zoom, telephoto 5 megapixel with f2.2 aperture, depth sensing only. At the front, 24 megapixel with f2.0 aperture, fixed focus. The Galaxy A9's quad lens camera array covers all the bases. You can take strong standard photos in low light bokeh style portrait shots using Samsung's live focus mode, ultra wide photos with 120-degree viewing angle to match human vision, and zoom in with 2x optical zoom feature. There really is not anything missing here. So guys, it's time to take a look at the camera samples of the Galaxy A9 2018. Without wasting any more time, let's go for it. Credit goes to gsmarena.com. Link is given in the description box below. And yeah guys, what's your thoughts on this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and yeah, peace.